Welcome to Scholarship IELTS Academic with Professor Usman. Dears, this is our orientation class.
If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail.
If you fail to plan, you're actually planning to fail. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. What does it mean actually? If you fail to plan, that if you are not disciplined, you haven't decided things and you haven't talked out the proper plan, and everything isn't according to the set timetable and set procedure and set technique, you are actually doing what? You are planning to fail yourself. This is what we have been told so far as nature is concerned and the experience of human is concerned, that we have to be disciplined in order to stay on the rightful place for the rightful targets. So whatever we're going to do, inshallah, even each class, I should say, or each sentence we're going to read, and each line we're going to read, and each topic we're going to cover in these classes, everything is planned, inshallah, and hopefully we're going to cover within the given time span, and this is how we're going to prepare ourselves. Well, this is something we have to remember, even if it is IELTS academic or some other examinations, even if it is our personal life or professional life, we have to be planned, we have to be disciplined, and we have to do things according to the set timetable for good results. Okay, what do you see now? Shanza, I'd like you to help us reading what you see on the screen.
Achieving the proficiency in examination, what to do.
What to do. Achieving the proficiency in examinations. Whenever we want to achieve the proficiency and we want to get skilled and we want to be proficient in any examination, whether it is IELTS or any examinations, the first thing is what to do. So, Israr, I'd like you to help us know, what do you think? What do we mean by what to do?
Sir, first of all, we have to know that what are the outlines of our examination.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. That's exactly what he understood. What to do. Being relevant, being authentic, and being to the point is something that we do need actually for any examinations. Even if I'd say that if somebody's PhD in English language and literature, then if some is very proficient in English linguistics and his speaking is very great and he can write articles and he can do wonders in listening and speaking and reading and writing, even that person is not supposed to get 8 or 6.5 or more than 6.5 if he hasn't gone through the IELTS techniques and time management strategies. Are you getting my point, Ishrar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, dear, being relevant is very much important, and inshallah, what to do, I'm very well aware of this thing, and after a few slides, I'm going to show you what we are going to do. Inshallah, everything will be crystal clear. There must be nothing fishy. Okay, the second thing is, what is second thing, Aisha Sajjad?
How to do.
The second thing is actually how to do these things if we actually give maximum focus on our speaking. For example, if somebody is focusing more on speaking and he's ignoring the listening or either reading or writing, if there would be imbalance, there is something to lose. So we will take care of the things being done properly as required, inshallah. So Shanzi, would you help us read you see on the screen?
Sure, sir. Specification, special features, and focus.
Specification, special features, and focus. And the focus should be on what?
Improving skills.
Improving skills. Yes, this is something I have to hammer here. Believe you me, I say the one who has got 10 years of education, I mean matriculation or intermediate is above that, and BA or BA is more than that, and doing masters and then MPhil, that is far more greater than that of having 10 years of education. So anybody who has gone through 16 years of education or 14 years of education, he or she does know what English is. We all know what is English. We know English. We have learned English, and believe you me, we can speak English. There is nothing we can say that we know not about English. We know what English is, and we have been learning English for over 16 years. ऐसे ही है ना आयशा और शानजे और इसरार, ऐसे ही है ना? मतलब 16 हम अंग्रेजी सीखते रहे हैं since our childhood. We know English, we have been learning English, we have been listening English, reading and writing all that stuff. The thing is that we have to learn skills. We know English, we want to learn how to speak English. Actually, English is not a problem. English isn't the problem. Speaking English is something that we have to improve upon. English isn't the problem. Reading English is something that we have to improve upon. Okay, listening is something that we have to improve upon, and writing is something that we may shape ourselves and improve ourselves on. English is not the problem. Believe you me, I believe that each of you sitting over here, if somebody, even if native, speaks in front of you and you have an article in front of you to read and you have to write something, you can do each and every skill. You can do each and everything. But improving skill is something which we need to improve, and inshallah my maximum focus would be on improving skills, inshallah. Okay, what we were saying, actually discussing that all these 4 modules we are going to go, you definitely should have an idea that in IELTS we are going to cover all these 4 modules: listening and speaking, reading and writing respectively. So the thing, in the beginning I said that there is something what to do. So this is something we are going to discuss now. I'd like you, Ishar, to please read this for me, what you see written on the screen.
Scope of content, British Council, IELTS, Cambridge.
Well done. Scope of content, British Council, IELTS, Cambridge. Can you repeat after me now?
Scope of content, British Council, IELTS, Cambridge.
IELTS, Cambridge.
IELTS, Cambridge.
Very well done. T is silent over here, okay? Scope of content, British Council, IELTS, Cambridge. Okay, what is the scope and what the things we're going to do? What are the contents, basically? Okay, Shanzi, can you please read this for me?
Listening various expressions and situations.
Listening various expressions and situations. So, inshallah, we'll have the data with us, and there would be listening tracks that we'd listen. And these tracks are actually based on various expressions and situations according to the IELTS or the different sections of IELTS listening modules that we'll go through. We'll listen the audios and then we'll transcribe the audios, and after that we'll go through the analysis and examinations and tasks based on these audios, and this is how we're going to improve our listening skills. Along with that, we will learn the strategies and the techniques that how do we do listening skill and how do we improve on it. Okay, the second thing is
Videos based on various real life situations.
okay, videos based on various real life situations. So we'll have videos, these videos of from British Council and from Cambridge that we're going to cover. We'll watch these videos, and watching these videos we'll try to understand the things being spoken in the video, and then we'll go through transcriptions, what is being said. We'll have each line in front of us and we'll practice this, and this is how after doing tasks we will make an analysis with respect to the criteria of IELTS speaking and IELTS listening. You can say both, or IELTS different questions. Okay, the third thing we're going to cover is Aisha Sajad, are you there with us?
Documentaries.
Documentary. Thank you so much, Aisha. Yes, documentaries, then miscellaneous expressions and speeches and debates and vocabulary editorials, articles and idiom expressions and essays and books and complete course we are going to cover in this class. Well, to talk on this particular slide, I'd say that everything we have, or everything I have with me, is actually according to the British Council and according to the Cambridge. There is nothing fishy. There isn't anything you can say we should have doubt on. So all the things we're going to do, inshallah, would be absolutely relevant to the IELTS examination, inshallah.